Is it the right time to buy or sell Arm Holdings PLC stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Arm Holdings PLC. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 16, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 7, 2024, our system has identified Arm Holdings PLC as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.71. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance over this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have seen a remarkable gain of 66.65% since we first recommended Arm Holdings PLC as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 8.33% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a strong and expansive upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 43.63% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -12.07% to 70.10%. In our latest update on Arm Holdings PLC, we have some interesting news. The stock price experienced high volatility on Friday, ultimately closing at $128.34. On the last trading day, Friday, February 16, 2024, the Arm Holdings PLC stock price saw a decline of -3.99%, going from $133.68 to $128.34. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 10.51%, reaching a low of $123.05 and a high of $135.98. Interestingly, the stock has been on the rise for 7 out of the last 10 days and has experienced an impressive 80.76% increase over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by -9 million shares on the last day, with a total of 25 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.27 billion. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $164, while the lowest price was $46.50. Presently, the stock is trading at a 21.74% discount, equivalent to $35.66, compared to its 52-week high of $164, which also happens to be the all-time high for the stock. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, February 8, 2024, Needham gave Arm a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, February 8, 2024, Mizuho Securities gave Arm a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, February 8, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave Arm a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, February 8, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave Arm a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, November 20, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Arm an overweight grade with an initialize action. Analysts have given Arm Holdings PLC stock a general buy rating. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio also a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Arm Holdings PLC. The stock of Arm Holdings PLC is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals confirms a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there will be support at $126.64 and $83.21. However, if the stock falls below these levels, sell signals may be issued. Another positive signal comes from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, indicating a buy opportunity. On the other hand, some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the stock's short-term development. Most notably, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, February 12, 2024, resulting in a 13.85% decline so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume of trading has decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume usually follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to look at is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The Bollinger signal showed a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average also provided a buy signal 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 9 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 66 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 59 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Arm Holdings PLC. Let's talk about the support levels for Arm Holdings PLC. Currently, there are 2 important support levels to keep in mind. The first one is at $119.98, just below today's level. If the stock breaks this support, it may fall to the next level at $115.21. It's important to be aware of these support levels as they indicate potential areas where the stock might stabilize. Now, let's discuss the risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the support level is broken, there is a possibility that the stock may continue to decline towards the next support level. In the case of Arm Holdings PLC, if the support at $119.98 is broken, the next support can be found at $115.21 and $113.89. So, it's crucial to closely monitor the stock's performance and be prepared for potential downside risks. Moving on to volatility, Arm Holdings PLC is known for its significant price fluctuations during the day. This means that the stock can experience large price swings within a short period. Additionally, the Bollinger Band, which measures the stock's volatility, indicates that Arm Holdings PLC is considered very high risk. Therefore, it's important to approach this stock with caution and be prepared for potential market ups and downs. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we can see that it had a price range of $12.93 between its high and low in the last day, representing a 10.51% change. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 17.38%. These numbers highlight the stock's tendency to experience significant price movements, further emphasizing the importance of closely monitoring its performance. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Arm Holdings PLC, let's start by understanding some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as P/E ratio. This ratio is a key measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. This particular stock has an unusually high P/E ratio, indicating that it may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Arm Holdings PLC. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Arm Holdings PLC is at $133.68. If you're not yet invested, it might be wise to wait for the price to break through this level before entering a position. However, if you already own shares, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Arm Holdings PLC faces its first support level at $119.98. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as we can anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Arm Holdings PLC has a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 16, 2011, Stephen G. Rothmeier made an insider purchase of 4,500 shares of common stock. On the same day, Stephen G. Rothmeier conducted an insider sell of 4,500 shares of restricted share units. William R. Newland also made an insider purchase of 4,500 shares of common stock on February 16, 2011. Additionally, William R. Newland conducted an insider sell of 4,500 shares of restricted share units on the same day. James E. Marley participated in insider trading by buying 4,500 shares of common stock on February 16, 2011. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. In total, insiders have purchased 846,165 shares and sold 190,612 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $121.18, representing a decrease of 5.58%. It's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 4 days ago. Is Arm Holdings PLC stock a good buy? We have analyzed the current market trends and indicators, and it appears that Arm Holdings PLC stock may present a buying opportunity in the short term. The stock has shown a positive trend and several short-term signals indicate potential growth. Furthermore, our analysis suggests that the current price of the stock is undervalued based on its volatility and recent movements. On Tuesday, February 20th, we anticipate that Arm Holdings PLC will open with a gain of $0.783, starting at $129.12. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. Therefore, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the securities market. We would like to emphasize that the information provided on StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for this stock? Let us know. And if you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.